Hello. In this video, we will see how to create category in Shopify. First, we will go to Products. In Products, we will see a drop-down where we will click on Collections. After clicking on Collections, we will click on Add Collection. In Shopify, the name of category is Collection, but we can understand it as Category. Now, we will put the name of category. For example, Cotton. We will put the description. Randomly, it is a cotton category. Then, we will save it. After saving it, we will go to Shopify. After going to Shopify, we will go to Instance. After going to Instance, we will click on Sync Categories. After finishing Sync Categories, we will go to Categories. In Categories, the name of category is Cotton. In Categories, the name of category is Cotton. In Shopify, the name of category is Parents. This is the name of the category. In Shopify, the name of category is Cotton. This is the name of category. In Shopify, the name of category is Parents. If we will click on Cotton, we will replace the name of the category. And then we will click on Updating Shopify. It will show category updated successfully on Shopify. And we will go to Shopify and refresh it. See, our category name has changed. It has been replaced with plastic. Thank you. That's all for today's video.